All right, wheel number 3 on the S80 or 580. This one does have some deeper curb rash that I am going to have to use the grinder on, going just with the red conditioning disc. I'll just knock down these few spots that have to have some extra work. There's a pretty big chunk missing up here at the top, so I'm going to switch out to the 60 grit to just take that one spot out and kind of reshape it, because it's a pretty deep gouge right there. I want to try to avoid the tire as much as possible with the edge of the grinding disc. A little bit more. That'll work. And go back over it with the conditioning disc. When you switch to the conditioning disc, you are not going to be able to avoid the tire. You're going to scrape it a little bit. You just don't want to gouge it very deep if you can help it. Okay, then we'll switch to a fresh 320 pad. Now we're just getting out those grinder marks and any curb rash that I didn't take out with the grinder. All right, now we'll go ahead and scuff. This is pretty much the whole wheel. Get the dust cleaned off, and then we'll hit it with the surface prep spray and get it prepped for clear coat. Link to this is in the description. I use a ton of this surface prep spray. I'm just going to hit it with some air first, make sure all that spray has evaporated. It evaporates pretty fast, but if there's a puddle anywhere, it will roll into your fresh clear coat. Spray some air on it first, and then we'll clear the whole wheel.